In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Apple Pay on eBay to purchase items quickly and securely. Let's begin. So start opening the eBay app on your iPhone or iPad. You can also use Safari on your Mac if you prefer shopping on a larger screen. Sign in to your eBay account if you haven't already. Now search for the product you'd like to purchase. So browse through the listings, compare prices, read the item description, check the seller ratings, and review customer feedback before making your decision. Once you find the right item, open its listing. You can simply go to the option to buy it now, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. You want to make sure to select the correct size. Okay, click the buy it now button, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded to the checkout process. You will notice that eBay will display your shipping address, shipping method, taxes, and the total purchase amount. Take a moment to verify that everything looks correct. Now, on the payment screen, look for the Apple Pay among the available payment methods. If Apple Pay is available for the item and your device supports it, simply select it to continue. If you don't see the Apple Pay, it might not be available for that particular purchase or seller or on your region, so you need to choose another payment option. And then what will happen is eBay will display a purchase confirmation screen after the payment is approved. You'll also receive a confirmation email and can view your order anytime under your purchase history. And from there, you can track shipping updates until your package arrives. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use Apple Pay to eBay. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.